Good evening, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. And tonight, I wanted to touch base and go over something that a lot of cleaners are having a hard time with and struggling with. Now, I just want you to know that when you're going into a client's house, it's not just about doing the job. I often tell you it's about keeping a client. But how can you just keep a client if they don't know everything? I was just watching, trolling the Facebook, and I saw a person put up a post that he said, I know a lot of you guys do the dog and pony show, but to be honest with you, they just don't care. They just don't want it. That's not true. They do care. And if they don't, then you have to shop around for a better class of client. Hey there, I see you guys saying hello. How you guys doing? But listen, if you don't shop around or if you don't educate your clients and you're just going in to do a basic steam cleaning or a CRB now without and everything, if you guys aren't educating your clients, you're going to have a hard time. That's why I go in and I meet with my clients and I sit down with them and then I show them my folder. See, when they hire me or allow me to come out to give them a carpet inspection, that's exactly what I'm going to do. But they got to get that dog and pony show. First of all, right here on the front of the folder, it says, what is in your carpet? And then it shows under magnification fibers of carpet that are very dirty and have dust mites and things in them. Then underneath it has my name and information. And then on the back, it has some pictures of me cleaning and some modern day equipment with all the services. And at the bottom here, it has the T-Rex. Now, no one else, at least in my area, is offering something like this. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of you guys do this. You have a brochure, and there's nothing wrong with that. You see, I have a brochure too, but even my brochure is different than most, but that's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to go in, you want to sit down, and you want to show your client what makes you different. This is the folder that I have been offering to the carpet cleaning industry for the last 4 years, and no one has called back and complained whenever they used it. Guys and ladies, I'm going to go over the contents of this folder. The first things are first. Most people call you or call us because normally there's a pet issue. Well, inside is a very professional looking brochure about pet odor removal. And then on the inside, it has a diagram. So when I'm trying to explain to the people what the layers of their carpet and the layers of contamination, they have a visual. And then over here and up here, it tells you all the things we're going to do with the black light, the moisture detector, and all of those different things. And that's why we can normally get about $600 for just pet odor by themselves. But that's in here if they have a pet odor problem. Now, let's talk about carpet cleaning. I offer 3 packages. I've told you guys this for the last 3 years. I have my Spring Fresh Quick Clean, my Healthy Fresh Deep Clean, and then my Bio Clean package. And all of them are broken down. See, this is what you guys don't understand and why people give you a lot of price resistance. See, they don't realize that you guys are going to pre-vacuum. You're going to pre-spray. You're going to pre-treat. You're going to pre-spot. You're going to groom the carpet. Then you're going to hot water extract the carpet. you're going to give them shoe covers, and then you're going to put an air moving device in there to dry it up. See, in each one of these packages, it explains to them all the things they're going to get, so they'll understand why they're paying 37 cents a square foot, 55 cents a square foot, and then the BioClean, my signature package, which is 65 cents a square foot. But don't get that twisted. This is very different and a separate service from the pet odor service. And that's what you guys have to understand. Carpet cleaning is carpet cleaning, pet odor removal is pet odor removal. And because I have this folder and it's all broken down, it explains it. Now, are the customer going to read all of that? Of course not. But you need the literature so they'll take you seriously and they'll see what separates you from your competition. Then you guys know, if you've been around for a while, I always talk about my residential maintenance program. And here's a whole page on my maintenance program. And they read it. And then if they want their carpets kept on a regular basis, they don't have to pay a big check when it's time to get it done. Plus, they can keep their carpets clean all year long with our BioClean maintenance plan. That's in here. Upholstery cleaning. How many times do you guys just be happy you get the carpet cleaning job, but you don't even go after the upholstery? Right here in the folder, it has both packages, the value package and the premium package for upholstery cleaning. What's the difference? The difference is with the premium package, they get Scotch Guard. That's the difference. Now, how many times do you ever talk about towel and grout? Well, right here. Here's your page on towel and grout cleaning. So while you're sitting at the table talking to your customer like you should be, way before you even get the carpet cleaning job, you should be going over all these different things in the folder. You never know when your client's going to be like, oh, you do that? Can you do that too? Yes. Now you just took your job ticket. How many hundreds more? You don't know yet until you measure. But if you don't have this folder, you'll never even get a chance to talk to them because you won't even mention it. How many of you do Oriental and area rugs? Well, that's in here too. How many of your clients have Orientals and area rugs? Well, this brochure that I have in my folder not only gives you the prices and the sizes, but it tells you if it's wool, if it's synthetic, if it's pet damage and needs a submergent cleaning. It has all the prices and everything right here on it. So they can decide right then and there if they want you to do the Oriental or the area rugs. Like, ladies and gentlemen, all of this is in Roger Lloyd's marketing folder. I sold quite a few of these over the years, and no one has ever complained. This just professionalizes you on a level that you can't even imagine. Now, how many of you ever even talk about mattress cleaning? Well, guess what? That's in here too. Let's talk about mattress cleaning. Ladies and gentlemen, you can keep doing it the way you're doing it, or you can start doubling and tripling your jobs because of the fact that what? That you're showing them all the services that otherwise you wouldn't. One time around showing this folder would pay for the whole set. Are you kidding me right now? Ladies and gentlemen, on this side, you have your customer briefing sheet. This tells your client everything they need to do to get things cleaned up. They need to pin up the skirts of the couches. They need to move draperies out the way. They need to get all little furniture off the carpet. And they need to put the pets away out of the area that you're cleaning. All of that is right here in this folder ready for you. Now, this right here is the quote sheet. For me, I have 3 packages, so I make it very easy. I write down all the square footage down here, I do the additions, and then I give them a quote for each package. So therefore, they can look over all the packages instead of just telling it to them, which they're not going to remember anyway. And then they can make a decision because they're looking at the 3 different packages. All of this is right here in the folder. And this way I want to show you, if someone calls you and tells you they have a particular spot or stain, this is a carpet inspection form. And the grid down here with all the lines is supposed to be a room, and you draw in there all the spots and stains and tell them what the expectancy is that you can remove it. Because most of the time, that's why they even called you in the first place. This folder comes with everything you need to present your residential carpet cleaning business. And then it even comes with a colorful folder. Now, I understand your colors aren't green, but mine are, because that's my company colors. So we'll find out what your company colors are, and we can design the folders for you. And then when whatever colors are, when your customer sees this on the front, what is in my carpet, they're going to say, ooh. And that's what you want. You want to win them over before this folder is even open. Keep in mind, no one else at this time, pretty much in your area probably, is doing it like this. See, you're already edge cleaning your client just because you have this folder. Ladies and gentlemen, I just showed you all the contents of this folder. And then I also told you the other night with Miss Riley about how we can do lead generation for you. We can post an ad on Facebook in your area offering carpet cleaning inspections, get all the potential leads information, we'll call them for you, schedule them, and then if you're smart, you'll buy this folder, and this will help you while you go out. But you'll no longer be getting just carpet cleaning jobs. You'll be getting tile and grout cleaning jobs with the carpet. You'll be getting upholstery cleaning jobs more than you ever did. Hey, how you doing? And the thing is, this is where it's at, ladies and gentlemen, for the carpet cleaning industry. And I know I have many haters out there and other groups and things like that. That doesn't bother me. My goal is to help you, the one that is watching this right now, saying, man, that could really help my business. Because it can. It has everything in it so you can't forget. It details and shows your clients why they should pay more and why they should hire you. Now, if you want this folder and the inserts inside, for 100 folders, it would cost you, and the inserts inside, so everything together would be $700. If you just want the inserts inside sent to you by email on Microsoft Publisher so you can edit them any way you want, that's only $300. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot emphasize enough to you how fast that money will come back to you because you're professionalizing your business and yourself. All you have to do is call our offices at 484-420-7220 and say, hey, Janae, I want that residential folder. And then you just tell her if you want the contents, which are $300, or if you want 100 folders to go with the content so you can print out at your leisure, but you have 100 folders to put them in, so you're ready to go. 100 folders would last you a while. And then you just print the contents up as you need them, so you're ready to go. Don't just go do carpet cleaning jobs anymore, ladies and gentlemen. Stop being lazy. Get off your duff. Stop saying people don't want to spend. Sit down, have a cup of coffee, have a cup of tea with them, get them comfortable, and go be proud of what you do. Open your folder up and say, well, let me just go over, Miss Johnson, all the wonderful things we can do for you. And then when you see her eyebrow raised up, say you scanned over the tile and grout page, stop and talk about it. Say, well, Miss Johnson, do you have any tile and grout or any shower towels or anything that you're concerned about that you want clean? And then she'll say yay or nay. So you'll be doubling and tripling your jobs. So you don't have to work and do 7 to 8 jobs a week. You don't have to do 10 to 15 jobs a week. It kills me when guys tell me, hey, Roger, man, I just did 21 jobs this week. I'm like, well, good for you. Are you tired? Can you walk? Can you do anything else, or are you all beat up? See, you don't have to do it this way. You can make more money where you're at, building a client's trust and a client that will use you again and again, and possibly get on your maintenance plan just because you took the time to be professional. Give us a call. $300 for the contents of the folder. If you want 100 folders to get you started, it's $700. You will get the design on the front where it has my name under my company name underneath. It would be your name and your company colors. Give us a call today. The holidays are vastly approaching. You need to be ready and presentable for when the calls come in. And then if you need more clients, give Janae a call at 484-420-7220 so she can do some lead generation and schedule you some carpet cleaning estimates so you can go out there and have everything you need to make you some money this season, this holiday season, that is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to go over here this with you this evening because it's really a no-brainer. I mean, I know it's a lot of haters in the industry, but you know, unless they're paying your bills, there's no need to even listen to them. What is your prosperity worth? You have someone that already outlined it so you can just use it and start making some money from it. You even have an answering service right here. So all you have to do is go out and clean. Give us a call, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and good night.